If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from CamPro. Hey guys, welcome to another video of CamPro. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can change your Facebook page name. So let's get started. First, you have to open your page and then go to its About tab. Now from here, you can edit your Facebook page name. Click on the edit. Make sure your page name is matching the previous one. Write your new page name here and then click on continue. Now a window appears which says it may take up to 3 days for review. Click on the request change. Now click on OK. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes, then you will receive a notification saying that your page name change request has been approved. So in this way you can change your Facebook page name. If you have any question and query, then you can comment below, and if you found this video helpful, then please give us a thumb up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe it. Thanks for watching.